Yo, what's happening? It's your dog, man. Big below Mr. and the man himself. Back up in here with another one of them things, man. It's about that time. It's getting about that time, man. I know y'all are ready for the content, man. Y'all ready for the MayRose content. All the good stuff right there. So I'm trying to get to the point where we finna tidy up everything, man, and get back to the content. So y'all know how we've been starting off lately, man. I just want to say thank y'all for being here. Nothing else. Just thank y'all for being here. Thank y'all for wanting to watch my videos. Thank y'all for wanting to be like, man, when Beelo finna drop again. Thank y'all. You know what I'm saying? If I never said it before, which I know I have, I'm saying it now. Thank y'all. I really appreciate the love y'all showing me. You know what I'm saying? As far as this content, just the love, just support, just all that. I really appreciate it. Yeah, about to get into this content, man. I just got the phone with my dog Brian Ike, man. That should be a little clearer. Just got the phone with my dog Brian Ike, man. We were talking about the boats, man. To do the grounds, cause I got to ground my this relay, this fan relay. I got to ground it, so I was asking him some questions about some grounds, and he gave me some good insight on it. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to map out where I'm gonna put the grounds first. Map out where I'm gonna put them, and then I'm going to one of them is gonna be right there. I don't know if y'all can see that down there where that shiny boat is, down there at the bottom right there. Can y'all see that? Camera too dark, y'all can't see it, but it's right down here. It's on the block. I think this is what I think. I think I got a ground to the block already, which would be okay, which would be cool. But the way the way Brian Ike got his ground set up, I ain't touching him, man. He said he got a ground from head to head on the back. He got a ground right here that goes to the frame. And then I think another ground on this side that goes to the battery, I think. And then he got the ground, he got the two grounds that go from head to head. Then he got the ground strap that goes to the firewall from one of the heads. He got a ground right here that goes to the frame. He got I think he got another ground that runs from that same ground to the battery. But I think I got a ground on that side on the battery on the block already. So what I might just do is just ground this one to the frame, and then ground my fan relays to that ground, and then yo. What's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. and the man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Mine Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah. That being said, man, let's get back to the video. That'll be just that on it, you know what I'm saying? And put the I put them on there later, because y'all already know this motor is coming out of here.
So, yeah. But what before? Well, that's gonna be first. Well, no, that might not be first because I got to order ground wire and all that good stuff there. But hopefully this weekend, hopefully this Sunday, I'm gonna take MayRose down to the shop, man. We're gonna go and slap that transmission in there, and I'm gonna slap transmission in. Get the drive shaft cut. Get the drive shaft cut because it's too long. It's definitely too long. It's been too long the whole entire time, but I just been riding like that because why not? It wasn't broke, so you know what I'm saying. Don't fix it. But I knew it wasn't right, but I was just. Y'all gotta understand, man. Like when I just wanted. The tedious parts and stuff was not what I wanted to tackle. So I was just like, man, look, I'm gonna go on, do what I need to do, blah blah blah. Now, not so much, man. I really want everything to be how it needs to be. So yeah, I bought these bolts right here. M10 1.5 to 20 millimeters. Just so you know, me and Ike was having this conversation. The M10 1.25s will not work in the block, in the heads, none of that. It ain't gonna work. It's a different type, it's a different thread. It's not gonna work. It's gotta be the 1.5. Some of y'all may know that, some of y'all may not. I didn't know it. That's why I had a bolt. I don't know what I did with it. But I had a bolt that I had just laying in my toolbox, and I screwed it in. So I was like, let me go and see what side this bolt is. And I was like, yeah, let me know too, because my bolt ain't working. The bolts I got ain't working. So, yeah, we got that squared away. M10 by 1.5 by 20. Yeah. M10 1.5 millimeter by 20 millimeter. So, yeah. So hopefully, man, we can get some stuff together, man, so that we can get out in traffic. You know what I'm saying? Get some stuff done, man. This fourth quarter pressure, this fourth quarter is what we trying to do, man. We're trying to go and get together for the fourth quarter. It's not gonna be a rush job, but it's gonna be something that's gonna happen really, really fast. Yeah, and I'm excited because I knew y'all was waiting on this. Like y'all was really waiting on this. Like, man, when are we going to get some content from this car, man? Because, bro, you ain't doing nothing. Like, you ain't doing nothing, bro. So here we are. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm gonna leave everything how it is. I'm gonna leave the reservoir in here. I'm leaving everything in here how it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just to come out, to ride. Because after Christmas, after New Year's, if it ain't too cold, I'm probably drive my car on New Year's. Try to drive my car on Christmas. Try to drive it on Thanksgiving. Try to drive it on all these holidays that I haven't drove my car on that I missed. Well, I drove it on Thanksgiving before. So Christmas and New Year's, I haven't driven my car yet. So trying to get the thing up out of here, get it out in the driveway Sunday. I might have to blow it off, put a wash down on it. You know what I'm saying? Even if I just blow the dust off and just run some water on it, that'll be cool enough for me. I ain't got to put no full detail on it, but I'm gonna do that. Get that AC bracket, of course. So, cause y'all see my belt is doing that stuff again, and that's because it's up on, cause it can't nothing cut it, but that air compressor. That's the only thing that can cut it, cause it ain't sitting on top of anything else. It's in the grooves on everything else except for that. That's the only thing that it's like the AC bracket is pushed back or something. I don't know. I'm gonna just order a new one. That way I have all the hardware and I ain't gotta worry about it. So I'm gonna do that. And yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna change those plastic pulleys or not. I don't know. I only had one, and this down right there that's sitting on top right there. That's the only plastic pulley I got. But it's sitting inside of the grooves on everything else except for that. Like, that's the only thing that's it's not sitting in the middle of is the AC compressor. So that gives me indication that it's the AC breaker. So I'm gonna do that. Y'all finna be here with me while I do it. I need to mount this. I need to mount this right here. And I think I'm gonna mount it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and mount that right here. Let's see. Or do I got it on? Nope. It's kind of tight. So I'll just mount that right here. It'll be fine right there. Mount it right there. That'll be fine. Run my wires, loam them up, run through these little guys right here. These run